Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to fix slow startup on PC. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So I will be showing you a few methods here on how to fix slow startup on PC. Let's start with number one. Step one, go to your start menu, go to power and sleep settings. On the left side, you have to look for power and sleep and then go to additional power settings. Tap this one. It will take you directly to this section and you have to go to the left side again. Click this, choose what the power buttons do. Now tap on this change settings that are currently unavailable. Click this one. And then you have to make sure that you haven't checked this turn on fast startup. Do not check this one. After that, you can now tap on save changes. So that is the first step. Now, the second step here to fix the problem is to go back to your start menu and then search for task manager. And here you have to look for startup. Now, review the list of startup items. You will see application names, publishers, and their startup impact. Disable what you don't need. So right click an application, click disable. This prevents it from launching at boot, but it doesn't uninstall the application. So just click and disable, especially if you don't use this application often. Third is go to your device manager. And then this time you have to look for disk manager and you need to simply make sure that you are using the updated version of your driver. And yes, updating disk storage drivers can help fix a slow startup, but it's just one piece of the performance puzzle. Now, the next step here is to go back to your start menu. And then at this time, you have to look for turn Windows features on and off. This time we're going to turn off Linux. And then once you're here, you have to look for Linux. Now turn this one off because turning off or disabling can also help fix slow startup on PC. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.